Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell below. And also on this channel we talk about business opportunity, how to start your own importation business, and how to grow and build your own business. So in this video I'll be unboxing my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 I got from China through the XIANYU app. Yes, you know guys, I've been talking about this XIANYU app, but most people are not taking advantage of it. Also, if you are thinking about starting your own gadget importation business, I'll be leaving the link in my bio for you to access our XIANYU Gadgets Importation Masterclass. My name is Saudi Kaba and this is Business with SK. I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's get started. Okay, so guys, let's open my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 I imported from China. And I don't know, am I the only one who enjoy unboxing things I mostly import from China or Dubai to my home country? I really enjoy unboxing my stuffs whenever I import them. So I bought it together with my tablet, and also this one took only 3 days for it to arrive in Ghana. Yes. And at the end of this video, I've decided to share the suppliers page with you guys. But thankfully, everything arrived safely. And also, if you're someone who is scared of taking the risk to buy their own gadget from China through the XIANYU app, you can just send us a DM for us to help you buy them from China. So guys, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo. And this is the main character, the camera. And look at how small it is. It's small enough to literally put it in your pocket. But this little camera can do some serious work. Even if you're a videographer, you can use this Osmo Pocket 3 to shoot your content. It can shoot up to 4K to 120 FPS in slow motion mode. And also it supports different shooting and color mode for creators who want more control when editing. And also look at this screen. The Pocket 3 has 2-inch rotatable touchscreen, which can rotate and switch between horizontal and vertical shooting. Another thing I like about this Osmo Pocket is the 3-axis mechanical gimbal. The gimbal normally helps keep your footage very smooth while you are moving. And I'm sure by now most of you are wondering, how much did I pay for this creator combo? Yes. So it also came with a protective case, and also it came with a Type-C cable for charging, a wrist strap which helps secure the camera when holding. It also came with the Mic 2 transmitter, the windscreen, the clip magnet, a 128GB memory card, a mini tripod, a battery handle, and an extra power bank, a carrying bag, and a wide angle lens which you can attach directly to the front of the Pocket 3. And normally this wide angle lens, it comes when you order the creator combo, not only the Osmo Pocket 3. So this is how the extra lens looks like. Let me attach it to it and let's see how it goes. So with this lens, it can expand to the field of view to 108 degrees. And also with the Mic 2, it's very loud and clear. So I went out to do a video to test how good the mic is. See how clear this mic is? You can use it for your content creation, vlogging, or maybe if you are into videography, you can be using this mic. So if you're interested in purchasing this, I'll be leaving the link in my bio for you to access it. And now let's move on to the pricing. How much did I buy this Osmo Pocket 3 in China on the XIANYU app? And this one was 98% new. That's slightly used, just that it didn't come with its box. And this is the supplier I got the Osmo Pocket 3 from. And I promised you guys that at the end of this video, I'll share the suppliers page with you. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to anyone who wants to start their own gadget importation business this year. So I got this for 2,160 Chinese yuan. That's around 4,001 to 4,002 Ghana cedis. And I paid the shipping fee for 300 cedis. So together making 4,500 Ghana cedis. And remember, I used air shipping. So let me use Ghana as an example because I'm from Ghana. In Ghana here, used one cry, you can get it around 6,000 to 7,000. And if you want a new one too, you can get it around 8,000 cedis to 9,000 cedis. So imagine buying this through the XIANYU app and coming to sell it in your home country. You can imagine the profits you gain from it, because right now a lot of people are trying to go into gadget that will help them improve their content creation, their videography, and many other things. So yeah, this is it. If you're looking to start your own gadget importation, as I said earlier, I'll be leaving the link in my description for you to access our masterclass course. And also, most people do ask me, can other countries also access our masterclass course? Yes, you can. Whether you are from Nigeria, Cameroon, Uganda, South Africa, and many other African countries, or even if you're in US, UK, you can still join our XIANYU Gadgets Importation Masterclass. This is the suppliers page, so you can also order yours from this supplier. Anything DJI, just contact this supplier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. And also comment on this video if this Osmo Pocket 3 I got from China through the XIANYU app is worth it. And once again, my name is Seydou Saude Kaba. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.